Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. This is a newly arrived Boston whaler, 28 Vantage. This is a 2025 model. I'm going to do just a quick walkthrough video with you so you can see some of the highlights of this boat. If you want more details about it, you can give me a call on my cell phone at 904-625-6146. This boat is equipped with the twin 300 Mercuries on here. Plenty of power for a 28-foot boat like this. And that also has the joystick piloting option. If you haven't run a boat with joystick piloting, you really owe it to yourself to come down and ride one of these. It's really easy to get the boat in and out of the slips, maneuver in tight places. Just a great option. The 28 Vantage is not just a pleasure boat, it is a fishing boat as well. I mean, it looks a lot like a pleasure boat, but I mean, you've got live well, you've got rod holders. You've got rod holders going up on the hardtop legs here too. So it's great for a day of just being out on the water, but it's great for a day of fishing as well. And when you are fishing, you can tuck away this back seat back here. If you're just out cruising for the day, that seat folds out. I'll show you some other nice stuff that makes this a great cruising boat for the day. Over here, you've got a grill that tucks away underneath this piece of solid surface countertop. That locks down in place. You've got a refrigerator on the starboard side. You've got this nice versatile seat here that you've got forward and aft facing seating, or if you lift this up right here, you can have a lounger going that way. And then this goes back. There's several different locking positions for this seat. Great seat. One thing I wanted to show you on this boat too, that this does have the Sure Shade. This is a power shade that comes off of the hardtop, and it's really big. You see how wide it goes. It goes from one side of the hardtop to the other, and when you extend it out, it comes all the way to here, so it's going to cover that back seat. It's really going to make your day a lot more enjoyable when it's 95 degrees outside. Super comfortable captain's chair on here. Again, here's the joystick piloting that I was talking about. You've got the Simrad 12-inch multifunction display. So you've got your GPS on here, your fish finder, and then up on top we've got radar on this as well. Making your way forward, nice high windshield, gives you lots of good visibility. Bow seating area, plenty big for two people. Nice flip down armrests on here. In the bow under the anchor locker lid, you've got your windlass tucked up underneath there. This has got everything that you need to enjoy your day on the water. Give me a call at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, 904-625-6146.